Welcome. This is a beautiful Golden Bay beach. This is a Malta, mid of May, so still spring, but definitely a lot of summer vibes here in Malta. Little bit windy day, but still it's nice and warm, and I hope that will be my first swimming for 25 today. I just come from Sliema with bus 225, and I first visited Riviera Bay. It's a beach, I'm not so sure about name, I'll show you at the end of this video. So there is a few sandy beaches around the corner, and for today definitely I am planning just to spend some time enjoying this sandy paradise in Malta. So I need to find some changing rooms. Okay, it's a windy day, so we have some waves and water is still a little bit cold, but if anyone can swim, I can do it also. It's a pretty small sandy beach. Melieha is town, I think, closest to this beach, and when I was in October here in Malta, I spent some time in Riviera Bay. Definitely it's a bigger one, also sandy beach, but this one also looks very nice. So because of waves there are some seaweed in water, but not too far. Water looks pretty nice, and as you see there are some clouds in the sky, so it's not perfect as it will be during the summer. So that's it from Golden Bay for now. Time for swimming, and see you a little bit later when I continue to walk in this direction to visit Riviera Bay. It's just around the corner, so see you very soon after some swimming in Golden Bay, Malta.
To ja może zejdę, czekaj. Zachodzi. Ale chciałam to zdjęcie zrobić. To mogę teraz
O, tu ładna fotka tam.
So, as you see, weather is a little bit changed. It's more cloudy now and less sunny, so I decided to walk away from Golden Bay and to show you this another beach, another nice sandy beach, Riviera Bay, and I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but you see it on the start of this part of video. So now it's time to check this beach. I can say I must try to swim a few moments later in Golden Bay, but water is still pretty cold, maybe because of waves and pretty strong wind today, but at least I can say my first swimming in Mediterranean for 25 is done, and of course I hope I will have a chance to swim again in these days. So I need to catch my bus back to Sliema. I'll try to go to check some other places today, so I will not stay long. I just want to show you this beautiful sandy beach. Singitia beach. So as you can see, I think it's a little bit longer than Golden Bay, and maybe a little bit more beautiful scenery. Landscape is very interesting, very nice. So let's check it a little bit more, than time to go back. This is some kind of surfer paradise. I see a lot of people with surfing equipment. You can find some bars, beach, and that's it. So that's it about sandy beaches for today. Time to go back to Sliema, and hope you like it, and of course see you in next video from beautiful Malta.